Ipitian subhai pi boro shakanika channel but hakanika video ngin pe yakanika post kabarang shalat thama hepo Meghalaya. Shabing in sedang yakanika video, sungguh subscribe yakanika channel but turn on your new notification bell kanang bopinum do yaki videos kimangi upload. Pila aruban follow yangi hepo ka Instagram, kanika Instagram account kajongi. Yakanika post la palat daka social welfare Meghalaya. Kekerteng juga nika post kadai District Child Protector Officer. Kelas D laneka tarik bakado bapila ban submit yaki applications kadai hau spotrik benai Januari arjar atpoar. Ya kani ke post District Child Protector Officer ke belait kawai ka salary laneka tulak kadai lai pulai hajar aspak sanpau ha kesi benai. Kajaka jang ke posting kadai ha Office of the District Child Protection Unit Riboy District Nongpo. Ke age limit laneka kerta ke beredo kadai atpos 6 mak bahaya do kadai sanpos 6. Ke educational qualification kalau kemne kelak dia pendap ya ka post graduation haka social work pat pedi banyo second class lani khambaha porbapi pass ya kani ka post graduation ke experience pidon kam license 6 haka child welfare activities lani knowledge haka computer pat counseling skills. Ki candidates ki belong eligible bagi bakwa ban apply kani ka post pihaban pendap ya ka application haka standard form pat pedi ban submit kani ka Office of the District Social Welfare Officer Riboy District Nongpo. But yakni ka application pihak ban phak langru yaki attested copies jong berkhot ki testimonials ki jongpi arteli ki passport size dur ki jongpi ki bapila atas but hapo kani ka self stamp envelope piliban pensya yaka kerteng jongka post bapi apply ka official notification lani ka official notice ngal ai po description juga ni video pila ban download yaka bak pila ban pule lada pika ban tip shusho chapang ki wiki details.